Hi, my name is Belinda B. Bennett, and I am with Rise Up Financial Freedom Solutions. I am a member and a proud member of Credit Dispute Manager that has made my life and my business very, very user-friendly, and it has connected me with so many more opportunities. The difference between doing it by myself without any assistance is huge. It has made it much easier. I can actually organize what I need to have. When it comes to all of the things that he has for the building blocks, it's amazing, guys. When it comes to videos, if you've never done credit repair in your life, you can start as fresh eyes and the videos will actually walk you through everything. And I love the fact that he has that in his videos when it comes to the software for every single part of the software itself. I am someone that will always speak to other people to let them know how great it is, because again, it's very helpful. It has expanded my business so that you get consistency when it comes to reaching your clients on a regular basis. So the automations that's actually there has helped when it comes to communication. You don't have to worry about losing your clients because they're always informed. So things that you don't have to do when you're actually sleeping is happening behind the scenes. So again, when it comes to how that platform is created, it's phenomenal, and I've never seen anything like it in my life.